Here we are, the Ocean Grill, the bathroom, which happens to be open air. Now I'm going back to the restaurant to see Nancy. It's pretty cool here. The cooking is done for the day, but they were cooking right over here earlier. Nancy? Hello. I think I finally got a video. Little beat. There's that super Great Dane that lives here.